Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making brooches using vintage images and broken jewelry pieces. And we're coating them with Famowood glaze coat, which is a 2-part epoxy resin, perfect for all of your jewelry projects. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some brooches. Make sure to cover your resin projects to keep them free of dirt and dust and let them cure for at least 12 hours. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Bling and I will see you next week. Bye.